Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is April 29th. Welcome to Monday. Hope everyone's doing well out there and had a great weekend. Just remember, we can check out the Moxie Indicator Mastery, which is the trading room that I run, $7 for 30 days, if you guys want to come out and see how it is. So one of the things that I was talking about in that room is that the S&P and the SPY and the other major indices have had a pretty good bounce off of the lows from last week, but I think this is about an area where we should expect it to slow down. I've been saying it can go a little bit higher, but I'm starting to see it's kind of running out of steam in through here, and you can see it's also coming up to about the daily 50. So even if it pushes past that, I just don't think that this is where we are ready to say we're going to go swing long and that the market is ready to keep going higher. I do think that this is just a bounce, and I do think we're going to need to come back down and kind of retest some low areas, and we'll have to see what that actually ends up looking like. Now, a very similar pattern that I've been seeing, that this, especially on this 15-minute, like right in through here, looks very similar to Mara and some of the other cryptos. Crypto miners. And this was something that I covered in the weekly review. So inside of the Moxie Mastery, a trading room, I put out about a 30-minute video every weekend for the traders. And I said, hey, it looks to me like we're going to get some pullbacks and some down moves on the Bitcoin miners. And so this was Friday. And here you are today. I said, yep, we're going to be getting this to come down. And I think that the S&P and the indices are looking about the same. So I think that we need to start kind of working our way lower in a very similar way to this. And then taking the lead today on one of the bigger moves, Tesla. I'm actually pretty surprised that this thing kept pushing up like this, but I think that it is based on the news over earnings season that they are going to start producing a cheaper car. So cheaper, more affordable, that kind of thing. And this thing has just continued to go straight up. As I said, pretty impressed by this. It continued to run on the 15-minute time frame right through there and just kept going. So maybe there's more news, something like that today. So I've definitely missed this one. This is not my typical setup. This is kind of what I call the first move. And I'm waiting for a bigger pullback, basically, to get in on this on the second move. So even though this has had a really big move, I can't chase it from here. I'm sure that there will be another opportunity to get into it, and I'll be keeping an eye out for that. Part of my reasoning is that the hourly chart still isn't technically bullish. It still has the 50 below the 200, so I'm waiting for more development on that, and I'll be watching for a pullback. But it's good to see that this thing is up, because that means that it's now back on people's radar and something to be watching. All right, guys. Well, thanks again. Hope to see you in the room, and we'll catch you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.